Buzz plays with a mirror. Good morning, Chinu. What are you doing?
Look, Meenu, I have drawn something.
Oh, this is really beautiful. Isn't it, Buzz?
Yes, Meenu, it is really beautiful. It will look even more beautiful if we fill it with colors, like flowers.
Buzz always thinks only of flowers and their colors.
But Chinu, Buzz is right. Come, let us fill this shape with colors. It will look beautiful.
Okay, let me color it now.
Oh, Chinu, color this red like a nice red flower. Okay?
Stop it, Buzz. Let Chinu color it with his favorite color.
Oh no, Buzz. Look at what you have done. You kept buzzing in my ears and the colors have spilled. Oh, my paper has got spoiled.
Don't worry, Chinu. I can make beautiful patterns with the colors that have spilled.
How will you do that, Meenu?
Look. Where the color has spilled, I will fold the paper at that place. Then I will press it in the middle like this. And after that, when I open the paper, a pattern is ready.
This is really looking very good, Meenu.
Oh, such a beautiful pattern can be made from spilt colors also. Can I also do one like this?
Sure, why not?
Let me fold this paper. Now, let me open it. Hey, what is this? No pattern? Oh no! I forgot to drop colors in this paper.
Buzz, put a drop of color in the middle line of this paper. Then, fold the paper.
Okay, now let us see.
Oh, Buzz! You have made a beautiful pattern. Look!
Oh, did you notice this? Look at how the color has spread on both sides of the middle line. It has spread just the same way.
Oh, it means that the shape on both sides of the middle line is the same.
How do we know that the shape is the same, Meenu?
That is very easy, Buzz. We can cut this in such a way that we get two pieces of the same shape.
Then, such pieces can cover each other fully.
Listen, Meenu. Can we make two equal parts of this leaf also?
Why not? Look, let me fold this leaf along its middle line. Now look.
Oh, the two sides have completely covered each other.
Yes, Buzz. That means that the parts of the leaf on both sides of its middle line are equal.
Now I have understood.
Okay, now both of you go and fetch some pictures or things which we can divide into two equal parts by just drawing a line.
Okay, Meenu. Look, I have brought a colorful square piece of paper. I can make two equal parts by drawing a line in the middle, like this.
Chinu, now fold it along the line and see what happens.
Hey, the two parts have completely covered each other.
It means that you have divided this square piece of paper into two equal parts. Very good, Chinu. But where is Buzz?
Here I am, Meenu. I have brought a picture of a flower. Chinu had made it on this thick paper.
Buzz, you only like flowers and nectar.
Chinu, stop talking and let Buzz make two equal parts by drawing a single line.
This flower has 6 petals. If I draw a line here, it will divide the flower into two equal parts.
Now fold it here and see what happens.
Oh, both the parts have covered each other fully.
Very good, Buzz. You are right. Chinu, what are you doing now?
Meenu, I have this rectangular shaped paper also with me. I have made two equal parts of it by joining its corners.
You are right again, Chinu.
But Meenu, when I fold it from the middle like this, then they do not cover each other fully.
I will tell you why. But where is Buzz?
He is playing with the mirror over there.
Buzz, come here. I will teach you a mirror game.
Game using mirrors?
That will be lots of fun, Meenu. Chinu, look. I am in front of the mirror. And there is another Buzz in the mirror.
That's right. A mirror is very special, children. If anything is kept in front of the mirror, you can see the same thing in the mirror also.
I also know this. I get ready in front of the mirror when I go to school.
Okay. Now let me go and cook food for all of you. You can play a game till then.
Okay, Grandma.
Now tell me, Meenu, why did these two parts of the rectangle not fully cover each other?
I will tell you, Chinu. You made two equal parts of this rectangular shape, but they are different. It is different from what you made with this square piece of paper.
Why, Meenu?
I will tell you why. First, let me keep a mirror over the middle line of this square piece of paper that you got. Remember, the two parts on both sides of the middle line were equal. Now, look at it.
Oh, you have kept the mirror only on one half of the square. The mirror makes it look like a whole square.
What will happen when it is kept on my leaf? Hey, the mirror makes even my leaf look as a whole when it is placed in the middle line of the leaf. This is really like magic.
This is not magic, Buzz. Now let me keep this mirror on the line which Chinu used to divide his rectangular paper into two parts.
Okay, Meenu.
Now look. Has it made the same full shape like what we saw with others?
No. Now I have understood why these two parts did not cover each other fully.
Chinu, you have understood it correctly. So, any image which covers each other fully when folded from the middle will look like the full image when a mirror is placed on one half of that image. Okay, now let us play a game. Let us look for some pictures or things that are in two parts but will look as a full image when one of its parts is kept in front of the mirror.
Oh, this will be fun.
Okay, let me start with Chinu. This is the first picture in my drawing book. Look at this, Chinu.
If a mirror is kept on the line, it will look like a full image.
That's right, Chinu. Now it's your turn, Buzz. Tell me, will this picture look like a full image if the mirror is placed on one half of the picture?
Let me think. Yes, it will look like a full image.
Buzz, you have become really very smart.
Now it is my turn.
Okay, Chinu, I have made Grandma's glasses for you. Now tell me, will it look like a full image if a mirror is kept along its middle line?
Yes, it will.
You are right once again. You can do it and see for yourself.
I will watch you doing it. Chinu, your answer is absolutely right.
Okay, now see this. There is a picture of a ball in my notebook. These are the two equal parts of it. Let me now draw a line that separates it into two equal parts. Will the mirror make a full image of the ball if it is placed on this line?
Yes, Meenu, it will.
Buzz, you always answer quickly without even thinking a bit.
Buzz, Chinu is right. Your answer is wrong.
Why, Meenu?
Get the mirror here. Now I will place the mirror on the line that I drew on the ball.
Oh, I was wrong.
It's okay, Buzz. From now on, just think a little bit before you answer. Now, look at this shape and tell me, if a mirror is placed on that line, will it show a full image?
If a mirror is placed on the line, we will get a full image. But
its color will be different. I will tell you how it will look if you place it near the mirror.
oh, this is different from the picture.
Yes, Buzz. When the image is kept in front of the mirror, the shape looks the same, but since the colors are different, the two parts are not the same.
Let us check with the picture that is there in the cover of my book.
Chinu, if you place the mirror here, the image will be different from the image on the other side.
I have made a sweater for Chinu. Let me see how it looks. Oh, doesn't it look nice, Meenu?
Yes, Grandma, it is very beautiful, and the design also looks very nice.
If I draw a line in the middle of Grandma's design and place a mirror on that line, the design will be the same on both the sides. It will make a full image of the design.
Oh, Buzz, you have become very smart.
But Grandma, you have not knit me a sweater.
Don't worry, Buzz. I will knit a sweater for you also.
But a very small one, Grandma, and with a beautiful design.
Okay, Buzz.
Grandma, look at that small bird playing in front of the mirror.
Yes, Meenu. It thinks that the bird in the mirror is also a real one and is trying to talk to it.
Really?
Oh, Raja, you scared the bird away. See, it has flown away. It was so funny to watch the bird play in front of the mirror.
Don't worry, Chinu. I have a photo of a bird. All of you can play by keeping the photo in front of a mirror. Meenu, can you bring the photo from my cupboard?
I will get it right away, Grandma. Here it is, our cute little bird.
Here comes our little bird in front of the mirror. Look at our bird, Buzz.
Oh, it looks as if both the birds are talking to each other.
Yes, look. Both look exactly the same.
Now, my little bird will eat some greens, bending its neck. Chinu, what will a mirror bird do now?
My bird will also bend down to have grains. Even my bird is hungry.
Now, my bird has turned around and sat down.
Meenu, if your bird turns around and sits down, even Chinu's mirror bird will turn around and sit down.
Come, now let us play this game in another way.
Okay, let's do that. It will be lots of fun.
Chinu, when I place this mirror in front of the bird, the image looks like this. So, tell me, where did I place the mirror?
Oh, a bird with two faces.
If the bird looks like this, then you would have placed the mirror here. Here on top of this line.
Let me place the mirror on this picture and see. Oh, it is really like magic. Okay, let me ask you now. If the bird looks like this in the mirror, tell me, where would I have placed the mirror?
I will tell you, Buzz.
No, I will tell. It is my turn. You would have placed the mirror here.
That's right, Chinu.
Chinu, look there. There is a mirror in front of our matchboxes. Can you see how the matchboxes look in it?
Yes, Buzz. They have been kept in L shape, and this is how they look in the mirror.
If I move the mirror and place it in front, how will the image look now?
It will look like this. See?
What will happen if I change the way in which the matchboxes are arranged?
I will draw with the pencil and show it to you.
What if I keep the mirror in a slanting position?
I will be able to tell you even then.
Okay, if I place the mirror here, tell me how the mirror image will look. Oh, this is really magic!
This is not magic, Chinu. Then what is it? It is something very special about a mirror. Anything that is kept behind a mirror gets hidden. But anything that is kept in front of the mirror is shown like that in the mirror.
Oh, this is very simple then.
Friends, we can play many games with the mirror. You can also look at the mirror in your house and enjoy the different images and shapes that are made in it.
Friends, we can play a lot of games with similar looking shapes. Grandma taught us a game like this. Now I will teach you that game. Please listen to me carefully. Take a cardboard sheet. Take a scale and draw a line in the middle of it. Draw the face of a person on a paper so that one half of the face is a mirror image of the other. Now, cut it in the middle and make two parts of it. Then stick each part of the face on one half of the cardboard sheet, but on both sides of the cardboard sheet. That is front and back. Now make a hole on the top part of the middle line of the cardboard sheet and tie a thread to it. Hang the sheet with the help of that thread. You can see half face of the person on both sides of the sheet. Just turn around the sheet and you can see the full face of the person.
This is really like magic, Chinu. Friends, you can also do many magical things like this. Friends, will you divide these food items into 2 equal parts so that Meenu and Chinu can share them? Roti,
chocolate,
patty, cake, idli, Can you split these into two equal halves using a different method? Roti, chocolate, patty, cake, samosa, idli, Can you split these into two equal halves using another method? Roti, chocolate, Patty. Cake. Idli. Parrot wants to know how things look in a mirror. Will you help, Parrot? You have to give your answers loudly. Chinu is standing in front of a mirror. He has a flower in his right hand. In which hand will the flower be? In the mirror? In the left hand. The teacher has a pocket on the left side of his shirt. There is a pen in it. In which side will it be? In the mirror? In the right side. Chinu's right hand is up now. Which hand of Chinu will be up in the mirror? Left hand. Ninu is holding her right side flat. Which side flat will she hold in the mirror? Left side. The baby monkey is sitting on its mother's right shoulder. On which shoulder will it be sitting in the mirror? Left shoulder. Friends, Bird wants to know which of the following shapes will cover each other fully when we fold it on the dotted line. Will you help, Bird? But you have to give your answers loudly. Will not cover each other completely. Will not cover each other completely. Will 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 not cover each other completely. Will cover each other completely. Friends, when we place a mirror by the side of these images, can you tell how they will look in the mirror? Can you tell how these images will look if we place a mirror on the dotted line? Friends, look at these mirror images carefully. Now can you tell where a mirror would have been kept in the given pictures to get these mirror images? Friends, let's play a fun game now. When we place a mirror by the side of the letters of the alphabet, only some of them look just the same. Can you tell which are those? If you think carefully, it is very easy. O. A. U. M. H. Friends, tell me which letters of the alphabet, when shown in front of a mirror, do not look the same. If you think carefully, it is very easy. F. G. P. Do letters of the alphabet in any other language that you know also make such similar images in the mirror? You can discuss this with your friends and teachers and try it out using a mirror.
Goodbye, friends!